What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well, man. Now, jumping right into the video, man, this is a shoe that I've been waiting on for a while just to get it in hand and just to see how I really felt about it, man. We've been seeing like a lot of different PEs and a lot of exclusive colorways that have yet to release, man. I feel like Nike was just kind of fumbling this release, to say the least, man. They kept playing with the PE colorways but not wanting to drop a big amount of shoes. But we finally got the first big widespread release of the Devin Booker, man. The Book 1, Chapter 1, 2023 was when they started releasing these joints. 2024, we got the first big release, man. And now we're here, man. Let's talk about the packaging. It's an all sale box with the brown Nike check going across the top of the joint, man. Nike and a Nike check. Same here on the side, Nike check, and it has like the book serial number like it would be like a real book. It has book signature on the side here. And the tag on this joint reads, Book 1, light or wood, brown, multicolor, size 12, man. Shout out to Better Generation. I got these joints, man. Book, Chapter 1 on this side. Finally got them. Let's check them out, see if you guys are rocking with them, man. Now, here we have the Nike Book 1, Chapter 1 in the Mirage or light or wood colorway, man. Smooth mute shoe going all the way around, man. Some pretty decent materials as well. But let's check this joint now and get a full review. Let's see if you guys are rocking with these joints. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, the toe box and the toe caps come laced in like a light color material, almost like a suede, but really low cut suede, really soft material going across the toe and the toe cap in that light like oil wood color. Getting to the side of the shoe, the same colors going up the lace holes, up the eyelets. Now, moving towards the back of the shoe, man, it does have like this light suede-ish feel to this leather that's going across this tumble part of the swoosh. And it has like a woven, like wool type of material going across the back side panel and all the way across the back of the shoe. Like a really tough material, but it's definitely soft, but a more strong material for sure. Has some thicker hair suede going across the top of the ankle collar. That's a nice touch there in like a darker brown color. I like that pop of color on this shoe in particular, man. Getting to the back of the shoe, has the same material here that's on the front of the shoe. And in brown leather, it has the Chapter 1 embossed in like a silver gray material. And then on the inside of the pull tab, you can see it has like multiple pull tabs, 4 pull tabs to be exact. And in my opinion, it looks like pages in a book. Per se, looks like paper. I think that's the look that they were going by. I'm not really sure, but that's what I interpret that as. On the back of the heel tab, it also has 96, the year Devin Booker was born. Now, getting to the inside of the shoe, man, just the same as the outside. It has that tumble leather, almost suede feel, like a soft feel going across that Nike swoosh. Has this thick wool type of material, woven going across the side panel. Some nice soft long hair suede going across the top of the shoe. And the same material here going across the front of the shoe, this nice soft material. Pretty decent colorway, very mute. I would definitely be more inclined to rocking one of the like more popping, more vibrant colors, but this is a good start for sure. Now, getting into the laces, man, it does have that light or wood lace factory installed. The tongue has like a woven look to it, but it's a lot softer on this tongue material here than this woven look that's on the side. But they look the same, but this tongue is a lot softer. Now, getting into the tongue tag, man, it does have the book with the orange Nike check. And it isn't orange just as a nod to Phoenix, book short for Devin Booker. Nice touch there. On the inside of the tongue, it has a different logo here, man. And on the inside of the insole, man, it has a barcode, just like an actual book, man. So they really went with a good theme throughout the box and throughout the shoe of it being a book-themed shoe. Real nice execution. This is definitely like a crossover between a casual shoe for sure. This is like the more casual-looking shoe that I've seen from Nike basketball in a long time. But the midsole is still super soft with this foam midsole. These joints are definitely comfortable. They do run kind of snug, so I would suggest going a half size up. But the comfort is there for sure. And it's definitely a decent colorway, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Now, getting to that midsole, man, they did go to the white midsole, smooth, straight midsole. And for the outsole, man, they went with the smooth gel, milky outsole, man. Really clean and really looks well with this shoe. Now, for my casual guys, we do have to worry about these joints turning yellow and things like that with oxidation. But for my hoopers, if you're hooping indoors, you don't really have to worry about that. And the shoe will continue to look good 1000%. But for my casual wearers and outside hoopers, man, with the style and the colorway of the shoe being like these light gray and these brown tones, the aged outsole won't look as bad once they start turning on you, man. So definitely a nice touch with these. Hope they don't keep doing the clear outsole on every single shoe, but this one is a good touch. But y'all leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. Let's check out this right shoe, man.
Getting into the right shoe, man, just the same as the left. This joint comes laced in a light
gray suede feeling material going across the front of the shoe. Getting to the side of the shoe, it has like that woven style material, like a wool style woven material. Definitely thicker, a more tough material for it being durable for basketball. This nice tumble leather. It has like a soft touch to it, but nice tumble leather going across that swoosh. Back of the shoe with the brown pull tab, chapter 1. Has the multiple layers inside of the pull tab, man, which is a nice touch.
96 on the front of that heel tab, representing the year that Devin Booker was born, man.
Same materials going across the inside of the shoe, man. Really mute, nice neutral tone shoe. Nothing too crazy as far as color pop, but I know they're gonna go crazy with some of the colors. Just judging off the PEs that he was doing. Hopefully we get some of those. A lot of those look really good. I like the shatter backboard. I love the Air Max 95 theme one. So we'll see if we get any of those, but it's definitely a good start, man. I'm not mad at it at all, man. Definitely a good start to this shoe. Now this joint does have the same Orwood laces factory installed, that soft woven style tongue. Book on the tongue tag with a Nike check on the inside of the shoe, man. Super nice shoe, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do wish they would have either chose a high top shoe or a low top shoe. This mid cut is definitely like a weird, it's not even like a true mid, it's like a low, just above low, in between mid. It's like a mid, man. It's like a mid top shoe. It looks good for sure. I'm not sure how it would wear. Honestly, casually. My bro Mike dropped a picture in the chat and he wore them the other day. He did pull them off pretty well, man. Better than I thought that they would look. This looks like an Air Force One mixed with the LeBron 20 to me. That's exactly what this looks like. Has this straight midsole, like an Air Force One style midsole. But it still kind of looks like an Air Force One on the top, on the upper, man. So, I don't love it, but I don't hate it, man. I'm not mad at it. I'm happy Book shoe. It's finally releasing, man. This joint released mainly at boutiques. No big retailers got them besides Nike, of course, and Sneakers app. But I didn't see these joints pop up at many boutiques, man. I saw them at Premium Goods. I saw them joints
at Better Generation. And I'm not sure if Social Status or FLYEERRKicks got them joints either.
I could be wrong, but I'm not sure. We got the Book one so far, man. Let's talk about the pricing on these joints. Now, these joints did release on February 17th, man, the Saturday of All-Star Weekend. Retail on these was 140 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. That's 151 out the door. So definitely an affordable shoe. Not crazy expensive at all, man. Definitely a decent shoe. Resale on these, man. Release day, before they released, they were like 190 across the boards. After the release, you saw pairs going for like 200 to 220. And now pairs are slowly still trickling up in price, man. I did not expect it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did not expect the price to continue to rise on these. I don't see this being a crazy popular model, but I should have known with it being Book's first shoe. Book is one of the more likable young stars in the league for sure. And it's a decent shoe. A lot of people want to get their hands on the first model, and that's just typically how it goes. But prices are like $250 across the board right now. $250 and under, $270 on a couple of big sizes, but really $250 and under. Size 9.5 and down, like $200 and under, man. Nothing crazy. I'm on the smaller sizes, but I guess the hoopers want to rock these and they want to see what these are about. So those bigger sizes are up there, man. So if you see these joints sitting for retail somewhere, man, I say go ahead and grab them, man. That'll be your best bet. Good shoe, nice material, man. Shout out Devin Booker. Congratulations on your first shoe, bro. Now, as far as quality and quality control on these joints, man, it's definitely a good shoe, quality-wise. Some really nice materials. I like this soft suede looking feel here. I like the woven material going across the back of the shoe. Decent materials across the board. Like, don't get me wrong, decent materials. The quality is there. As far as quality control, I don't see any crazy like glue stains or messed up stitches or any like sloppy stitch or anything like that. Now, one thing you will typically see on a suede or nubuck shoes when they bun the midsole to the upper, you can kind of see like glue stains there. And you'll see that. You can't really get past that when you're dealing with a sensitive material on the upper. But other than that, man, nothing too crazy. Definitely a nice shoe overall, man. If I had to give them a ranking on a first shoe, man, this is not better than the LaMelo, the LeBron, a lot of people's first shoe. This is a good one, man. I'll probably go like 7.5 out of 10. As far as this colorway, we'll see once they drop some more of the crazy colorways or see if they drop some of the stuff that he's been wearing. But a good start to it, man. Good luck to Book, man. I hope this one does well with a lot of people. And if you're judging by the resale prices, man, with it staying above retail, which is a shock to me, they're definitely doing good. They're being well accepted throughout the sneaker community and throughout the basketball community, man. So we'll see how many people start rocking these joints on court. And we'll see how the future goes, man. But we got the first book here so far. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing review of this Nike Book 1 in the Mirage colorway, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Let me know if you're rocking with D Book on these joints, man. Let me know if it's a cop, a drop. Are you dripping, flipping, skipping, man? Leave me an honest opinion down below, man. I really want to hear it. Got a new model, something brand new that doesn't really look like anything else. Kind of Ja Morant-ish a little bit with like the wide look of it. But other than that, man, this shoe doesn't really look like too many other shoes that'll drop. I do see a little Kobe in it, a little LeBron in it, a little Air Force One. But it doesn't look exactly like any shoe that we've seen recently. But y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about them, man. But as I said, man, that just about wraps it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike D Book Chapter 1, man, in the Mirage colorway. Leave an opinion down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling. Peace.